Are you tired of struggling to download files on your device? Looking for a simple way to grab videos, music, or even apps from the internet? Today, we're taking a look at an app called Downloader. Downloader aims to be your all-in-one solution for getting digital files online. It's designed to be straightforward. You can either copy and paste a direct link to a file, and the app will handle the rest, or you can use its built-in browser to surf the web and download files directly from websites you visit. Once your files are downloaded, you don't have to search through your device's messy folders. The app comes with its own file manager, letting you see everything you've downloaded in one place and organize your files into folders. One of the standout features is the built-in APK installer. This means if you download an app package, you can install it directly from within Downloader, without needing to navigate through your phone's settings. So, whether it's videos, music, or other files, Downloader offers a way to get them onto your device. It has over 1 million downloads, but it's worth noting that user reviews are mixed, with some users reporting issues. If you're looking for a new way to manage your downloads, this might be an app to check out. Let us know in the comments if you've tried it.